Hey, welcome to another broadcast of Master Investors Company. Today's theme is going to be about how to use our credit to get wealthy and retire young and rich, right? It's all about freedom. Many people go to work every day and actually end up wasting their most valuable time working on somebody else's dreams to make a little bit of money that gets taxed at the highest bracket, right? Because as an employee, the government takes their cut even before you get paid. So if you're somebody that is tired of your job and is willing to look at other ways to earn income, specifically passive income, right? Because that's the income that is going to give you freedom. The freedom that we always look for. It comes from passive income. That is the only way. But the good news is that Master Investor was created for that reason, to help increase the financial well-being of all of our partners. So including this video, when you follow the instructions below, you're going to be able to elevate your financial well-being, acquire a small asset, acquire an asset, whichever size you want to acquire it. We can acquire a website or a product and drop ship it. We're going to show you a bunch of strategies that would allow you to build your passive income at whichever pace you want to build it, right? Because some people might have working capital and other people might not have any working capital. They don't have any credit. But we're going to show you exactly how we can raise money, because at the end of the day, it does not take money to make money, but it does take knowledge, right? So we live in the information age. In 1989, that's when we enter the information age from the industrial age. The way of living changed because everything has to be seen with our mind, and that's the kind of difficult part for many people, to be able to see the world with their mind rather than with their eyes, right? Because everything is intangible almost. Like if you were able to put buildings on top of people's businesses in their home, because we're building our businesses from our computer, from our Wi-Fi, on the cloud. So everything is virtually held in the cloud. So it's amazing. The speed in which we can sell worldwide has increased because of the ability to use the platforms and the internet that is free. We can go to anywhere and tap into free internet. So it's very easy to get wealthy. If it's hard, then it's the wrong vehicle. It shouldn't be hard. It should be fast, and we should be able to see direct sales into our account, building that cash flow, that passive income every day, okay? We shouldn't have anybody in the middle but our company and our partners, whoever we're promoting, whatever products we're choosing to do drop shipping, and using our credit cards to build our website, to get maybe a down payment for a home, to turn it into an Airbnb, right? So use credit to make you money, not poor, right? A lot of people invest their credit cards and use their credit cards to make them poor. So what we gotta do is very simple. We have to grab our credit cards and look for things that puts money in our pocket, and use that credit, that credit line, whether it's $1,000 or whatever, and invest it into building or acquiring an asset that is calculated to be making us positive cash flow every day or every week. But we are 99% sure that it's going to work, all right? So that takes a team, it takes a little bit of knowledge, and it takes systems to work together to do the selling and selling for us. But the beautiful thing is that we can get started right away, because it's never too late to start building our passive income. If you're not, then you're gonna be working for money the rest of your life. Here at Master Investor, we teach you how to make money work hard for us, how to build our asset column, how to read financial statements, and how to start building with the wealthy mindset instead of with the poor mindset, because it really doesn't provide any freedom. The more security you have or you seek at a job, the less freedom you will have. So security is found once we achieve financial freedom, because that's when financial security comes in. But we first have to get those assets to produce enough cash flow that covers for our basis expenses every single month. And then from there, we have to continue reinvest back and raise some more capital, because the job number one of an entrepreneur is to raise capital, right? For a businessman. And the number one skill is to sell. So we not only have to be okay with asking for money, raising money, and then putting that money to work, because that's how we truly will get wealthy. So start investing your credit cards into products that make you money. We're gonna leave our website down below. Go get your digital product and start building your passive income. Go to www.masterinvestor.education and pick a product, check out the blog, right? And get your education up, compound it, because that's what takes in today's age to get wealthy. It's all about information. It's having the right knowledge. It's being able to build networks and provide value to the marketplace, right? What kind of value, what kind of problems are you filling in, and finding a need in the marketplace, and then we fill it with a product, we fill it with a solution, and we get a percentage of that. If it's a recruiting free every single month, a membership, then we should get that every single month. And we're gonna show you how to do that. We can get started right away. You can actually make your first $100 and you can start making your first passive income with us today. So subscribe to the channel. Doing my walk right now and I'm enjoying it because it just got done raining. So I love right after it rains, and I believe you should also go out for a walk and learn how to be more relaxed and attract more wealth into your life and more freedom. It's not about working physically, it's about working smart, not necessarily hard, right? We gotta learn how to be more lazy, more wealthy, right? Think and grow rich. Knowledge is the new money. There's difference between good debt and bad debt. Good debt puts money in our pocket, and then the debt gets paid with other people's money from the investment that we made with that debt. And bad debt takes money away from our pocket. For example, if we buy a pair of shoes, then every month we have to pay. Those shoes are not putting any money in our pocket, so it's bad debt. Anything that takes money out of pocket and we pay that debt back with our own money, then that's bad debt. We have to understand how to manage, raise, and control debt. It's all about control. The wealthy, we like control, we like leverage, and we like to be able to scale the sales, to be able to make as many sales as possible every single day. So take it day by day, build a strong foundation with us by making sure that your legalities are in order, that you have established a company, that you are doing things the right way. You can get started promoting products right now that companies are willing to give you a percentage just to promote it. So including these videos like this, if you like to talk, if you like to be on the camera, then I suggest you to open your phone and start recording every day, at least 1 minute or whatever. Start with something and then grow it from there. You'll be surprised how many videos you'll have, how much good content, if you dedicate yourself in improving your vocabulary, doing self-development, doing educational products, and providing back to the marketplace great content like we're doing here at Master Investor. So we're glad that you're a part of our community. Please leave us a comment. We appreciate stopping by, and remember, time is the most precious asset we have. So let's invest our time in the right places without wasting it, because we can't buy it back, right? Time and our mind. So let's take care of those two things. Once we do that, we can start really moving our credit and raising more money through investors, through banks, through private lending, through seller finance, right? That's when the owner actually gives us the land in exchange for a monthly payment, and the owner is secure with that because he knows his investment. He knows that it produces that much. So it's a great way to also obtain land for free without any money. So it does not take money to make money. If you like what you're hearing, if you like to put more money on your pocket without working, we're gonna teach you how to go to sleep and create passive income. Subscribe to the channel, give us the like button. We appreciate you being here. Listen to our podcast. And our rule number one here at Master Investor is that we do not work for money. We make money work hard for us. So that includes credit cards, that includes any working capital that we have. We're putting it to work to build our asset column. And we all have a personal financial statement. Our latest blog, I'm gonna list below, is titled How to Read My Personal Financial Statement, which is one of the most important blogs ever written.